So next up, guys, real sharp, good looking day cab truck here. It's a 2013 Mack CXU613. It's got an automatic transmission, guys, mDrive automatic there. 24/5 rubber. Good clean interior, got heat AC. It's got an interaxle lock. Aluminum rims. It's not rusty, guys. Pretty much, I would call it rust free. And you'll have all the pictures of the frame and everything. Rubber's good, like I said. It's got mud flaps. It is a pretty dang cold day, guys. So apologize if I'm sound a little cold here in the video. But we got Garrett here. He's gonna fire it up. Give me a nice demo. Starts right up there. It's like 752,000 miles, guys. 23,000 hours. Make sure we get listing decked out. I'll take a reverse here. Spinner just a little bit there on the ice, guys, but spin her around here for you. Really nice looking truck. And it's a roomy cab. Roomy, comfortable, good cab. So there's the video, guys, on the 2013 Mack CXU613 day cab truck. Sharp, good looking, runs nice, got an automatic transmission. Pretty exciting truck, guys. Good luck with auction time and Old 20 Auctions.